doing so far, it's okay, guys. Further than I thought.
We need to fill it up with some corn, and you can fly out to the river and bring you a trail of corn back to our hog trap.
Okay. I don't want to get over there too far. All may be just coincidental. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
But I seriously, that last one that went in, I didn't do anything. I don't think I did anything on the first one that day. We're talking about wing stall, tip stall, and a turn.
Yeah, on the video it looked like it went straight 90 degree on its edge and just didn't have enough momentum to carry it through, and it looked like it just lost lift.
Did it to 90 degree, or did it give itself to 90 degree? You follow me on that?
Oh, you think you had a aileron servo twitch or something?
Yeah, something.
Well, that's possible, I guess.
I'm just glad it didn't destroy the airplane, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, you've been lucky. You've had last two or three crashes you've had. You've just been kind of walkaways, you know, a little bent landing gear or something.
Yeah.
Seem like I don't crash that often, but when I do, I pile it in, man.
It must be windy up there.
Well, yeah, it's a little windy down here. You get about 4 miles an hour here, so you probably triple that up 100 feet.
Yeah.
Based on the way the clouds are moving.
But,
Let's see what she lands like. So let's see what she lands like.
put the nose down.
Nice job.